So the first step you have to take is obtain a SIN number, and the next one will be to register your provisional health insurance plan. Then the next one to open a bank account, find a permanent housing, and if you are someone who will drive, so even you have to obtain a driving license here. So and one more I want to add here is to take a SIM card. So yes, these are some basic steps need to be followed when you arrive upon arrival, when you land in Canada. So I'll just brief you about everything. What are just a brief I'll give you. What is SIN, what is RIMQ, and how you can find a permanent housing, and how you can find a SIM card, best deals, and everything. I'll just brief you. But later I'll just tell you what we have done it completely now. So the how to obtain a SIM card. So SIM, usually the process will be like you have to go in person to the Canada Service Center and get a SIM card. But now in COVID-19 situation, the Canada Service Centers are closed, and so the application only is via mail. So yes, the thing is that we have to download a form from website, from Canadian government website, and we have to fill it, and we have to send that form via post to the Canada Service Center. And later in reply, we have to they'll send us the needed, what is the acknowledgement or whatever it is. So the documents which needed for SIM will be passport and work permit. Please note, guys, here I'm just speaking about the work permit, the one who has arrived on work permit, not on PR. So yes, the documents is passport and work permit they need. So it's an original copy they need, and yes, this is about the SIM, brief about the SIM card. And let me come to the RAMQ. Now RAMQ is also the same. You have to go in person and get it done. These two can be done in the same day. But now currently the situation is different. Again, we have to register online and get an envelope or the document which is needed for us in a home. What the RMQ currently doing is they are just sending the documents by post to the current location, and in that they will have the envelope and one form. So we have to fill the form, attach the needed documents, and send the same in an envelope attached with the one envelope which we received. This is a process. This can be sent in a two types. So the one is you can go in a person and drop it in a drop box in front of RMQ office. The one more is via post or a courier you can send it. In my case, what I did is I just went to the location near downtown, and I dropped it in a drop box in front of the office. So this is what it is. Then coming to the SIM card, so you can just check a good deals which you can get a SIM card. We are just exploring on that. As of now, we didn't get the SIM card here. We are just on thinking that we even need an internet, and as well as we need a quite good deal on the SIM cards. So you can just go. There are a lot of service providers here in Canada, like example Virgin, Fido, and yeah, there are a lot others. So you can just explore and bargain for the best deal and get the SIM card, proper SIM card. If you're a couple, if you want to, if you're a couple, and it is good. It is suggested that you have to go for a same. You can go for a same service provider, as you may get good deals and some offer, and some you can tell the service provider or the agent. You can tell them, I'll be taking both the SIM cards from here. If any offer is there, please let me know. So it is like bargaining kind of thing. So this is just my suggestion. You can just explore a lot on that and check it on that as well. So next, coming to the bank account. So the bank account appointment was fixed to us. I know this situation was not good, but we were on quarantine for 14 days and more, so that was not a problem. We took an RBC bank, and when we were entering a bank, we just got security over there just asked us, do we have any symptoms, do we have any flu, did we travel something before 1 week, or how many days it happened you landed in Canada, and everything. After that, our the person whom we have to meet, they came us and they took us inside, and the bank account was done within 40 minutes. Yes, we got the two cards. for me and my husband. And one card, he is getting a credit card as he's on a work permit, and I won't be eligible for a credit card as of now as I'm on an open work permit. Basic steps need to be taken when you arrive in Canada. So I hope this will clear your some doubts. Let me know if you need a detailed video on this as well. So bye guys.